Okay, guys, if your kid is scared of stretching combs, just use this volume dryer hair brush. This one you can't feel the burn. It's not going to burn their head. Like my daughter, she's always scared that this going of the stretching comb. That I'm gonna burn her head. But this one, she will not get burnt. It's so eat friendly. It's so nice for kids. It's called hair volume brush, dryer brush, something like that. We got it off Amazon. So if you want it, you can look for it there. And you see, they give the hair volume. This is how short the hair is, and this is the one that is already straight. Oh no, I should have gone fast.